With old pre-drawn static zonal systems, drivers allocated to positions in a queue were not always the best drivers for the job, causing drivers to drive further to pickups, costing time, fuel and money. In the first example, you can see how car 1 at the top of the zone moves to the bottom of the zone to pick up job 1, whilst the car that is position 2 moves to the top of the zone to pick up job 2. This crossover is a result of queue positioning, but actually does not work in favour of the driver, as they are crossing over one another and driving further, taking more time and costing more money. In example 2, another job appears in the other zone. The vehicle that is actually closest and able to get to the job quickest is completely discounted simply because they are positioned in another zone. This car is now highlighted in red. As a consequence, another car is sent, but that car really has to travel further, using more fuel and taking more time. With new technology, however, a dynamic zone is put around the pickup point to find all drivers within a small radius of the booking, considering all suitable vehicles and ensuring that drivers will not move efficiently or unnecessarily. To select the best driver for the job, the system not only looks at all cars within a suitable radius of the pickup, but also analyses how long drivers have been waiting for a job and uses live traffic data to factor in road closures and congestion, for example, producing an actual travel time and distance, unlike old systems which are limited to looking at jobs as the crow flies, which is less accurate, less reliable and less practical. You can now see side by side how the dynamic zones dispatch far more efficiently for the driver. With the more efficient dynamic dispatching, which removes the need for outdated and inefficient queuing systems, we still provide drivers with insight into where work is on our system, helping you to see where work is available and to help you plan ahead. Using the heat map feature by pressing the flame icon on your driver app, you can zoom in and out of the map to get an idea of demand levels across the region, both now and in upcoming time intervals, up to 2 hours ahead, giving you more advanced insight into upcoming work. By then pressing the 3 lines icon in the top left of the heat map, booking and driver numbers are then shown in a list of areas. Does seeing 20 drivers in an area mean you shouldn't go there? No, absolutely not. You always carry your empty waiting time with you, so the system continues to dispatch fairly and efficiently as you move around areas, making sure that the closest and longest waiting car is chosen, maximising efficiency.